East to West may not be an RV manufacturer that you're familiar with, but it does come from the experience via the mega player in the RV industry, Forest River. East to West produces high quality RVs for you and your family, including the award-winning fifth wheel lineup of the Tandara. I'll go through some of the great floor plans, but first, what do you say let's head inside and talk about some features. Seems like a silly name, right? Tandara, Tandara, Tandura. However, to the indigenous people of Australia, it means camp here, which I actually find pretty interesting. As for the interior, check it out. It's a beauty. You're gonna find a bright interior. East to West refers to as artisan maple. You'll immediately notice it as you enter the kitchen. And man, the kitchen is loaded. You'll get residential shaker style cabinet door with hidden hinges, full extension ball bearing drawer guides, deep stainless steel sinks with a high rise faucet complete with a sprayer, plus a stainless steel drying rack that rolls up. Is there more in the kitchen? Well, of course there is. The fridge is a massive 14.7 cubic foot residential one, and the oven is a large 21 inches. Plus you'll get a flush mount range cover. Now, speaking of residential appliances, check out the 30-inch microwave. And in the kitchen island, there's a very handy pull-out trash can. To top it all off, like literally, the kitchen has a max air fan above it, plus a pair of pendant lights. In the living area, theater seats are standard and sit across from a massive entertainment center, complete with a 50-inch flat-screen LED TV. HDMI, AM/FM Bluetooth stereo with soundbar speakers, and a beautiful fireplace. Extremely cozy. Now you may notice as you walk through a Tandara, there is zero carpet, even under the freestanding dinette. Carpet is fine, but can get dirty very quickly in a campground, and this no carpet policy includes the bedroom. Every Tandara bedroom has plenty of closet space, with most having a full-length closet in the cap and washer-dryer prep. Every Tandara bed is a king-size bed with a residential bedspread. The bed has massive storage underneath, and the bedroom has cable satellite hookup. Have I talked about the bathroom yet? Have I? No? Okay. Well, the Tandara's bathroom has a porcelain toilet, a large shower with an impressive skylight, and a big mirrored medicine cabinet above the extra large countertop. Pretty sweet interior, right? What do you say we head outside? First thing I want to show you is one of my favorite features because it's all about the convenience. And when it comes to camping, convenience is key. The universal all-in-one docking station. It's such a relief not to have to find everything when it's all right here. Battery kill switch, exterior water pump switch, waste tank flush, power fill freshwater tank, winterization valve, and an outside shower with quick connect hose and spray nozzle just in case your child decides to spread jelly all over themselves like it's tanning lotion. It happens. Don't ask me to go into that story. Another great item for convenience is the automatic leveling system. It's so much easier to push a button than to run around adjusting landing gear and stab jacks. You'll also get a very large pass-through storage compartment that has LED motion sensor lights. Those same lights are also found in the outside kitchen for those Tandara models that are so equipped. Regarding the outside kitchen, those that do not have one still have a very convenient LP Quick Connect. Of course, relaxation is key to camping, and there's no better place to relax than under a large adjustable power awning with LED lights. Now I want to talk for a moment about pushing the limits of that camping season. Because why limit yourself to June through September, right? Well, for those of you who love to extend that camping season, you are in luck. The Tandara's 4 seasons package comes complete with a 15,000 BTU AC, and Tandaras are wired and framed for a second AC for the bedroom. I mentioned the fireplace a little bit earlier, but the Tandara also has a high capacity 35,000 BTU furnace. You'll also be able to stay out longer by keeping everything warm via the heated, insulated, and enclosed underbelly with heating pads for the tanks. The Tandara is built for you to take it out camping often. The exterior skin is a gel-coated fiberglass, pretty as well as functional. The guts of the Tandara include solid construction like a residential wood-framed roof, 2-inch double-welded aluminum frame sidewalls, rear wall and slide-out rooms, all with block foam insulation, 3-inch by 2-inch double-welded aluminum floor joists, plus a whole lot more. Now, before I pour over some of the select floor plans, a little word about the weight. The Tandara models do require a sizable truck to tow them. They are all over 10,000 pounds, and that's unloaded weight. In length, they average about 37 feet. So, on to the Tandara floor plans. The 285 RL has a pair of very large opposing slide-outs. There's a hide-a-bed in the rear wall and a pair of theater seats across from a movable 50-inch TV. The main bedroom is roomy, even with the king bed. A cool bonus is a very impressive double-door pantry and coat closet. The 285 RL can sleep up to 4. The 375BH is an ideal fifth wheel for the family, as it can sleep 6. In the rear is a private bunk room with a pair of double beds as well as a half bath. The living area has opposing slide-outs, plus a unique feature, a hinged entertainment center with fireplace. Up front, the king bed is in its own slide-out, and the front cap is all closet and has washer-dryer prep. And look, the 375BH also has that beautiful outdoor kitchen. Another great Tandara for the family is the 385MB. Not only do you get a great living area with opposing slide-outs and a nice entertainment center, but in the middle, there's a private bunk room. This bunk room has a hide-a-bed sofa, fold-down bunk, plus a loft space right above it. The 385MB can sleep a whopping 9 people. Up front, you'll find a full-length closet with washer-dryer prep. The East to West Tandara is an extremely impressive fifth wheel, and I know that once you find the right one for you and your campground-loving family, you'll enjoy it for years to come. To find the Tandara that's right for you, head on over to your local Camping World or campingworld.com. And as always, happy camping.